Hi, my name is Addie Bowen, and I'm very thankful for this scholarship that I've received. I plan to graduate from here in the spring or summer of 2021 with my associates. Then I plan to transfer to FSU to get my degree in accounting. This scholarship has greatly helped not only me but also my family, as they're putting 2 kids through college right now, and it can get very expensive.
Hi, I'm Wyche, and I'm fortunate enough to represent the Wyche family, and we support the Emma F. Wyche Memorial Scholarship. We're so happy that we're able to contribute to the foundation, and that they are so great at picking worthy recipients of the scholarships. Emma was a wonderful woman who spent almost 40 years here at the college, and she would be so pleased to know that her memory is being honored in this way. So we thank the foundation, we thank the college. It's very appropriate, I think, that we're having this discussion this week, because it will be a year ago this week that my mother-in-law passed away. And it's helping us as a family heal from that loss, to know that her memory is being honored, and that the way we're honoring her is by helping a student. This scholarship for us is more than the money. It's about you being able to be successful and finding your way through this educational journey and reaching those goals that you have. She worked here for almost 40 years. She was in the business office. She was a consummate professional. She was tough, but she had a core of caring that I think many people didn't see. And she really did cherish her time here. She was proud of this institution, and she saw how it could change lives for people in our area. So we're just very thankful that as a family we're able to do this. And I'm just so pleased to meet you.
I'm originally from St. Pete. I moved here about 4 years ago, and I went to Osceola Christian Academy.
Okay.
I decided to go the community college route just because I knew what I wanted to do, but I heard that it wasn't like as one-to-one for students, and it was cheaper for me because I wanted to go to either FSU or UF. And so like those are fairly close to where I live because I'm from Monticello.
Okay.
And so I decided to just stay close to home, save some money before I go off.
Mm-hmm.
I originally wanted to do teaching elementary, but then I decided that really wasn't for me.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm right now taking an accounting course, but I hope to go to FSU to get a degree in accounting.
Really feel like this is an angel guiding this process, because Emma was on the board at Osceola at one time.
Really?
Her son, her youngest son, Folsom, who lives in Orlando now, he graduated from Osceola. My son graduated from Osceola. So she had very strong ties to that school and supported that school. And she had many friends from Monticello. She originally, her degree was in business education. So she taught and then realized that she wanted to be more in the business side.
That's kind of like me, except I realized it a lot earlier.
Right. So I feel like there's, like I said, an angel guiding this process.
Yes.
I can't wait to share this with the family because I just, they're going to be so pleased.
That's cool.
I know.
Like Osceola.
I know. There's so many connections here, but that's what's great, I think, about North Florida. Whether it was North Florida Junior College when it started, Emma was the second employee.
Wow.
She even worked here before they had opened to students as the president's assistant. So she was really on the ground floor of the history of this institution, and then North Florida Community College, and now she worked, when she retired it was North Florida Community College. And so now she's kind of got that legacy tied to North Florida College,
Yes.
which I just think is wonderful. And I know she would be so pleased for you and proud